Let's start with AirPods.
We designed a custom multi-port acoustic architecture, which precisely controls the airflow that carries sound into the ear. And it gets even better with phenomenal active noise cancellation, ultra-low noise microphones, and advanced computational audio, combined with new foam-infused ear tips for even greater noise isolation. And to help connect with those near you, we're bringing the magic of AirPods to the way you communicate across languages, with live translation powered by Apple Intelligence. Now, when you are together with someone who speaks a different language, like exploring a market abroad, AirPods Pro will help you understand them in your preferred language. Using a new simple gesture, live translation begins. Translating Spanish. We made each AirPod smaller. And to make them fit more securely in your ear, we shaped the design to match the natural geometry of the ear canal. With entirely new ear tips, now in 5 sizes, all together, these are the most stable and best-fitting AirPods ever.
We're also really excited to add heart rate sensing during workouts with AirPods Pro 3. To do this, we custom-built Apple's smallest heart rate sensor. Machine learning algorithms fuse together data from the sensors and accelerometers to deliver precise measurements.
So that's AirPods Pro 3. And even with all of these updates, they will still be available for $249.
Next, let's turn to Apple Watch.
Introducing Apple Watch Series 11. It's our thinnest and most comfortable watch, and it's even more durable. It starts with our proprietary Ion-X glass, which is the toughest in the industry. We then apply a custom Apple-designed ceramic coating that bonds to the glass at an atomic level, making it significantly harder. So now it's 2 times more scratch-resistant. Series 11 now includes the latest cellular technology, 5G. Series 11 comes with watchOS 26, bringing new features and intelligence. Series 11 also comes with a comprehensive set of health features, including heart, hearing, cycle tracking, mental health, and more.
Using data from the optical heart sensor, the algorithm looks for chronic high blood pressure by analyzing how your blood vessels respond to beats of the heart. Apple Watch already helps you meet your sleep goals, gain insights, and discover possible sleep apnea. Now we'll help you understand the quality of your sleep and how to make it more restorative with Sleep Score. You can see details in the Sleep app, and you can track it over time in the Health app on iPhone.
Series 11 now gets up to 24 hours of battery. Series 11 comes in % recycled titanium in natural, gold, and slate. And that's Apple Watch Series 11.
This year, we are delighted to introduce Apple Watch SE3. First, it gets our most powerful Apple Watch chip, S10, which enables even more features. It brings an always-on display to SE for the first time. With S10, SE also supports gestures like double tap and wrist flick, so you can easily control your watch with just one hand. And for the first time, SE supports fast charging, making it easy to quickly top off the battery. It now charges up to 2 times faster than the previous model. In just 15 minutes of charging, it can add up to 8 hours of normal use.
Apple Watch Ultra 3. Let's start with the display. The display is now brighter when viewed at an angle, and thinner borders allowed us to grow the screen area without changing the case size. The result is the largest display ever in an Apple Watch, and Ultra keeps you connected no matter where you are with 5G cellular for more coverage and a faster, stronger connection. Emergency SOS via satellite is included with Ultra 3. And along with messages and Find My, you can now stay connected when you're backcountry skiing, trail running, or wherever you go. Ultra 3 also includes a larger battery and now gets up to 42 hours of battery life and new colors for the on-air band. That's Apple Watch Ultra 3, now featuring the largest display and longest battery life of any Apple Watch. Apple Watch SE 3 starts at just $249. Apple Watch Series 11 starts at $399. And Apple Watch Ultra 3 starts at $799.
iPhone 17.
iPhone 17 has a beautiful, more durable design and comes in 5 gorgeous colors.
The new design has a larger 6.3-inch display with thinner borders, and the display of iPhone 17 features Pro Motion, just like our Pro models, with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. When outside, iPhone 17 is more readable with 3,000 nits peak outdoor brightness, our highest ever on iPhone. iPhone 17 introduces Ceramic Shield 2. Now, it has 3 times better scratch resistance, and the display quality gets better with a 7-layer anti-reflective coating that reduces glare and distractions, making iPhone more readable in bright lighting conditions, both indoors and outdoors. Powering iPhone 17 is the latest generation of Apple Silicon, A19. Built with the most advanced 3-nanometer technology, it has an updated display engine to power Pro Motion and the always-on display. It has an improved neural engine. A19 has a 6-core CPU for our latest performance and efficiency cores. The next generation 5-core GPU provides a big step up for graphics-intensive tasks. iPhone 17 gets up to 8 more hours of video playback compared to iPhone 16. When you are out of battery, faster wire charging gets you up to 50% charge in 20 minutes.
Our Fusion technology combines the capabilities of 2 cameras in one, with a main camera and an optical quality 2x telephoto, each with dedicated image pipelines. And now, iPhone 17 gets a new 48-megapixel Fusion ultra-wide camera. It has 4 times the resolution compared to iPhone 16. Now, let's flip over to the front camera. We are thrilled to introduce our phenomenal new center stage front camera. This new front camera has our widest field of view. It's enabled by our largest front camera sensor, almost twice the size of our previous front camera. And for the first time, the sensor is square.
And that completes the fantastic iPhone 17. Powered by the A19 chip, it has a bigger and brighter 6.3-inch display with Pro Motion and Ceramic Shield 2.
Introducing the newest member of the iPhone family. iPhone Air is unlike anything you've experienced before.
At 5.6 millimeters, it's the thinnest iPhone we've ever made. The gorgeous 6.5-inch display is our best, featuring Pro Motion up to 120 Hz, always on, and 3,000 nits of peak brightness. And it's protected by the new Ceramic Shield 2, with improved anti-reflection and 3 times better scratch resistance than our previous Ceramic Shield. We're also bringing Ceramic Shield to the back of iPhone for the very first time. The frame of iPhone Air is made of titanium, space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. What might appear to be a single camera is actually our new, powerful 48-megapixel Fusion camera system, which works like multiple advanced cameras in one. And there is so much more to these camera systems, like action mode, audio mix, 4K Dolby Vision, and all the features of camera control. We're also introducing a new ecosystem of accessories to complement this unique iPhone design. We were able to create a new low-profile MagSafe battery that when attached feels great in your hand and is slim enough to drop right into your pocket. When using them together, iPhone Air has up to 40 hours of video playback. Our thinnest iPhone ever with Pro performance inside.
Introducing iPhone 17 Pro.
At the heart of the new thermal management system is an Apple-designed vapor chamber. Deionized water is sealed inside the vapor chamber, which is laser welded into the aluminum chassis. This efficiently moves heat away from the components, allowing for higher sustained performance. The glass in the back is even better protected by the aluminum unibody design. In fact, it's no longer glass at all. Like iPhone Air, we're now using Ceramic Shield for the back, resulting in iPhone 17 Pro Max achieving the best battery life ever in an iPhone. For our eSIM-only models, we took advantage of the space formerly occupied by the physical SIM to grow the battery even more.
On the front, we have the 18-megapixel center stage camera. On the rear, all 3 cameras are 48 megapixels for the very first time. And not only are the sensors 48 megapixels, but all 3 are Fusion cameras.
This is a huge upgrade, featuring a stunning design and powered by A19 Pro for our best performance ever. iPhone 17 starts at $799, keeping the same great price. iPhone Air starts at $999. And iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1099.